Hey guys, my name's John Erickson. This past weekend for Father's Day, a group of us in my family got together on Zoom to celebrate my great Uncle Warren's 90th birthday. He's the youngest of 9 children, currently in Pennsylvania. When we were on the call, I asked him, I said, Great Uncle Warren, what's your secret to staying so young and cool? And he thought about it and he said, You know, John, it's pretty simple. I do a beer, a shot of whiskey, and some fine cherry tobacco in my pipe every day. And that's it. I figured, all right. So, cheers to you, Uncle Warren.